So we are having a conversation about last night's match between Spain and France. So let's start. Do you watch last night's match?
Yes, I watched the match. Do you watch?
Yes, I also watched, but it was really disappointing, right?
Why you are disappointed with this match?
Well, you see, the match was really hyped, but France couldn't do anything. Spain dominated them.
Yes, France a lot of chance, but could not well. Do you think?
I agree. They had a lot of chance, but they couldn't break Spain's defense. What do you think about the performance of Spain last
Spain
night?
always good well, but last night Spain is a very well. Which is the best player in Spain?
I think every player played really well last night, but I think their left back, Cucurella, played amazing.
Yes, he was a very good player. He changed the game. He always played offense, defense, and midfield. The goalkeeper well played. Am I right?
Yes, the goalkeeper also played amazing. He kept a clean sheet. By the way, what do you think about today's match?
Which team are played today?
The match is between Argentina and England.
Oh, two teams are always well, but in two sector.
What are the sectors?
England is strong team, well played in field. The member of all team well played in field, but Argentina played in referee FIFA. Am I right?
Well, yes, there were a lot of controversial decisions in favor of Argentina. Well, let's see who will win today's match. I think we should go together to watch the match in big screen today.
Sure. See you soon.
I also have another question. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think Argentina,
Why do you think so?
because firstly Argentina played referee, secondly Argentina played FIFA, and thirdly Argentina played VAR and penalty. So I think Argentina win the match.
Well, yes, but I think Spain is also a strong team, and they are also the favorite to win the World Cup.
Yes, Spain is always good played, but FIFA was corrupted. So I think Argentina win the match or World Cup.
Well, we'll find it out soon.
Thank you.